Here I have TCL 10 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar here, and here you have this button, screen recorder. Just tap on it once and recording will start after that. Let's record some of our screen, for example settings list, and just tap on this button once again to stop recording. You can now find your recording in the gallery, in the screen recording section. Here it is. And from here you can share, edit or delete it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.